So initially I was going to record this over at a buddy's house, but unfortunately none of them are actually at home right now. So as of right now, I'm probably just going to go ahead and take off this headlight. As you guys know, or actually don't know because that video got deleted, this headlight, or this entire bumper actually needs a little bit of love right now. So I'm going to go ahead and take apart the headlight and going to go ahead and just replace that shell and see where we go from there. Right now I'm just going to go ahead and start disassembling, well, pretty much sheet gunning the hell out of this thing so that I can get this popped off. While I do that, I'm probably going to put on the new episode of Game of Thrones and go ahead and catch up for that. so I know it stopped auto recording for a while, but I was finally able to separate the two. Now I'm just gonna disconnect a couple of these and transfer over what I can, because a lot of these is actually like smashed already. So I will come back once I'm ready to start gluing things back. Decent job at it. As you can see, no more crack, and everything's clipped in. I'm just gonna heat it up one more time to see if I can just like have the silicone that's already in it just seal up a little bit better. But I think we are actually done with this. So after this, we're just gonna go ahead and slap it back on the car. We're gonna leave the bumper off just because we're gonna send that over to paint along with the rest of the car, and hopefully the next time you guys see the car will be once it's out of paint and we can go ahead and get started with the fun stuff.